Those who try to make out more energy in just 2 weeks. Here, look at that. And sure, protein, unbrain sugar, and a protein blend in muscles up to 7 hours. Real strength isn't real pain. It's treating. When there's no pain, there's more gain. Advil targets pain caused by inflammation. Strong relief. Advil. Real strength. My young homeowners trying to attack. It showed them just how bad it can get. Oh, they just need you. Dang it? Yeah. Good. Living which is good progress. No, really. They don't have change in yet? No, they do. The person can't say he living in the Netherlands, but we can't say he living with the fucking law of others. Why is he even launching it? You're asking me about cheese. Sunday, as the assassination of conservative activist Glenn Hicks sends shockwaves across the nation, and this is sparkling in rising political violence. Christian Lopez sits down with Senator Mark Teddy, and Senator Lindsey Graham. Sunday on Meet the Press. Happy Friday, everybody. Have you been enjoying this weather this week? We haven't had any concerns. Nothing you even need to think about. That trend continues. We've got a weak system that's going to dive across the 3 weeks tomorrow. We'll see some cloud cover working Saturday afternoon and evening hours. Could have a leftover shower or decaying thunderstorms from the north. Other than that, we are rain-free. Not good for our drought, but it is going to be beautiful. The summer-like warmth returning all of next week. Whether you hear the poison telephone, $40 or nose to nose with the students or smell the singles, add this project run with you any day and quickly get query. Ready to dive in? Home or a college adventure at quickly.com. What about like the actual relief on a customer's face when they think they're looking at a $25,000-$30,000 replacement, and you come out and go, or you think you could, yeah.
They want already, but what I'm doing is waiting for. Oh yeah, you could have used it here. But that's a up and down, and it came to there and shut down too. A little, not much, but see what was that? 14, 15. I'm with them for 40s only. I don't know what's wrong with my work computer, but it is acting crazy. Usually don't take this long to stop blinking.
Academy Award-winning actor Morgan Freeman has no budget. I didn't even know the electric company. Well, when we first saw this on that show, I didn't like it. Smart. He's a leader with a bit about so I changed him. Next season, he wasn't the guy. And
Let's see.
that show kept going. And let's go on. Hollywood icon for over 5 decades. His signature stood.
95. Where's this? 94. Put my orders.
It's crazy. Lord knows you ain't no cool. Of course, the Shawshank Redemption. I have to admit, I didn't think much of that the first time I laid eyes on it. You do wrong.
Let's see. Move this over here, so let's see. So I think price. Oh, look at that! All the way up to 600. That's up here. 312 orders up there. I should be trying to get up there. So we'll see what happens. I needed to break over this and then retest this for me to get in. If I use this as my consolidation, like supply and demand zone area. But I'm gonna wait and see what the first few minutes does, like with support and resistance levels. See how it uses that those. And I be having this really, because I just want to see the real. I want to see all that noise. So it was like 300 and something. Now it's 295. So but this is holding it up right here. This line that was like 100 and something. They got hit. So probably go up with that. This white line is the VWAP. I'm not really a VWAP trader. I think I said that before, but I do leave a VWAP on the book map just to kind of see what's going on. 91 is 150, 92, all these 92. So price may want to come up and get some of these. We did hit this again, sort of, and drop in. Actually, hit it because it's not all the way exactly where it should be. Like this should be like, because it's this on here. Why do I have that all the way up there? Oh yeah, because I was using the other one at first. Look at that. Whoa. That would have been good. That was I-36. It's only 20. I'm looking for 42. 40. So. Where's the bottom is? Why is it all the way over here? I think it should be like that. And so it is going off the top of that. There's a lot of orange down there, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that and see what happens. But since I do have like I'm only trading one contract, so 12 is cool. I'm looking for 46 because I'm only trading one contract. And price over here is going. See, but there is this big thing right there. Push through and go. Where's my thing at 58? I mean 578. Can it get down there? Let's see. If it pushes through there, you should be able to get, it might retest, I mean, a little bit, like retest this VWAP, but it's below the VWAP now because it wasn't above it. So let's see if we can just get down to 78. I'm going to hold this trade until it does. That's 28 right there. I shouldn't come back above here. Just midline. So, we will see.
Don't share needle their pounds or use needle. Don't take if you or your family have empty proof and you too or the
I think I should go ahead and get through those. At least down to like
reaction.
maybe 80. I was only 11 when I was in there, so only 13 ticks. I might go all the way up because 91 is where all those orders are. I think I'm gonna get out. Because it's going above the VWAP. Okay, wait, the VWAP is holding it.
Just one shower transforms my skin from dry to like 10 moisturized. For me, it's only.
Yeah, it's getting some orders. If it wants to make a new high, it should at least drop lower first.
When allergies throw a sucker punch,
Oh my God.
Clarity D punches back hard.
I'm just gonna wait. I said I'm gonna wait. I said I'm gonna wait for let price do what price gonna do. Just gonna let it stay on this 3-minute chart. Oh, but this 3-minute chart may be trying to make a M shape. So might have probably waited till then. Cause it might be gonna do this. And come down, and may want to go higher than my little situation. I go up to that. That's 15. How much is 15 with one? Whole track. 187.
Is a force of nature.
94.
The chart for Canada blend. Our sulfate-free formulas deeply penetrate to boost hormone. That is the long peg.
Let's see.
Still dealing with moderate to severe osteoporosis and Graves' disease symptoms despite treatments. Put them in check.
That's like 12. It's rejecting off of that. I think it's fine. Just trying to go down, but it's literally rejecting off the bottom of this low orb. And I think it's gonna go up to get all those orders.
Before treatment, test for TB and Ebola. Serious infections like pox, some fatal. Cancers including lymphoma on the skin. Serious allergic reactions, 2 alters, death,
Cell arms up there.
disease was toxic.
Price wanna go up there and get
Don't take it allergic
before it goes down.
check and keep them there. They bring both. Ask your gastroenterologist about info and learn how Avid can help you save.
Is this that $40, $90. Wow. I'm just gonna wait.
Transport the audience back to the 1950s. And he is here with us this morning, Jessica. Did you know?
Oh, no, look. I should have just stayed in.
Stepping into that role, he did it not only it's a very physical language, if you point it out. It's been incredible. Like you said, he was a legend, two-time Grammy winner. I knew the songs Dream Lover, Math for Night, Splish Splash, Beyond the Sea, If I Were a Carpenter. I didn't necessarily know they were all sung by the same person.
That is the low part of the orb though.
Rocking genres.
So probably waited. I don't know.
Really ahead of his time. Like movie star, yeah, very star good dude. He's like supernova talent, and it's an honor to get to step into his shoes and to try to serve. No, like the thing with the
Well,
so Jimmy, take it in, go, leave the show. Last night when Barbario made the cut. Hey, yes. Oh my gosh, wow.
30-second look like it's I should have looked at this before I got out of that trade, the first trade.
He said we had so many incredible people, like you mentioned, in that in the dance.
I didn't even have to lose that $90.
He looked to, and this was audiences more than anyone. 72 or so, the one person who wouldn't follow the body there. Partially because he had such this incredible connection with the audience. He would pick up people to dance. So this moment in the show we do every night. However, I'm telling you, the audience has not gone crazy.
Because this right here was
6 months that we've been doing this show, the audience lit up so much when you came and stood and did that for it. It was incredible. You're below. It's a little frustrating now. The vinyl is out in November. Yes. Compared to other albums you've created. Well, when you come see show, it's there. We've got this incredible. We have on stage. We're kind of recreating the coach of the band of these words. And the band and the members of the band coaches in the show. So I've never recorded an album where I felt so connected, as connected to the past as I felt to the band. Also, Bobby Darin was repped by Atlantic Records back in the day. Alan Erdogan, legendary music producer, kind of discovered him, starting his Splish Splash and Math Tonight. And Atlantic Records has produced the real album. So that's a real full circle.
also this is getting lower and lower though. These highs, those highs getting lower. So it should break this. Should get down here.
After the Tony Awards in June, when the product it's 10 years and make it. And everybody talks about the fact that you're doing a spirit. When you say, hey, it's in fact, in the show, in Just in Time, you reference that. Yes. What you did, it's good. You know what's going on there. No, like you said, with the immersive nature, it's like, I'm into this book where it's just like, I saw some people sitting down front for like 2 months. So, I'm sure that they help you out as such a good thing. You hear the boom stuff, and they're like, oh, what's the deal? Yeah, show me on this person.
I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. I don't know. Probably get knocked out. Because I was in a better position before I got out the trade. I should have stayed in the trade.
It's playing on Broadway, it's square, and by the way, they did the reference here. It's in the basement upstairs.
So it's definitely a W pattern to go up, so I did not my stop right on up. So above this. So many orders up there once we get.
COCD is an outbreak. You have to take it and watch as the world just keeps
Well, it's my fault because I don't think I really did my strategy like how I said I was going to do it. I said once it breaks this level and then it has to come back, retest the level on the 3. And I did not do that. So that's all. So just breaking the level or getting in at the so now I have to wait now. Just gotta break the level and then come back, retest the level, and all that, and none of that happened. So so I'm just gonna wait. Can we make this the
OGX and trading oil. Fast hydration, that means deep. OGX. With big buzz, the struggle is real.
someone going above this?
Protection, people friendly, bug deadly. You guys ready to play some five?
I'm not going below. It's not closing below that anymore.
Who sent the most luxurious thing that has to be expensive? Compared to minimum opinion by a low price, and rich by giving texture, folks will post the million and just won't have. The all of three women is switch from the luxury pudding, minimum opinion by a low price.
Whenever hardcore strikes, get fast relief with Trance. Swing for the joy of reading and love.
You okay now? It's some of the show you know a lot. It's Friday night, but they slip away, pretty fast. We don't blame it. Once you see the picture, get. You know how they are, just blam, starting at $20.
I'm gonna try one more time.
But you glad you want time with him.
If it breaks above this midline, then it's getting higher lows. So
You can't sleep. They're not good Sunday. You need to sleep. Sleep cool, have no equal. Get the deep, you stay sleep.
see,
Great. Get cool, not the colds, just for sleep. Really great sleep.
Shop while styles at Ashley. Extendable dining pieces ensure you always have extra space when you need it. Then when it's time to check back, it's easy to feel a comfy section altogether. Ashley has everything you need to make lasting family memories. With two Pixels, stay ahead of your child's words.
last hour has been going down. Last 15 minutes has been going up.
Yeah, wonderful. Particularly anxious, including skin reactions, can occur. Different way to learn for things
Just trailing on that. Oh my goodness. Like, come on. Right.
Don't choose or spell other figures without talking to your doctor. Ask your child's doctor about Dupixent. We are already getting our first goal to the highest score games for the upcoming holiday season. Becky is the editor-in-chief of Toy Insider. Scan that QR code and start your toy shopping today. Now, I can't believe we're like thinking about the holidays and gifts and all the good things, but we definitely the Toy Insider that's going to give you an exclusive look at our hot list. My holiday discounts are going to 2 days on the page for 2 days. Okay. Speaking of that, from there, bumper cars from Flybar, I was. You don't need to, but it'll be so you know, or give a little bit of when they're not going moving. So this is doing we're gonna do the slides that's gonna grab our time a little bit too. Just like a step right with me on TikTok, the content has a step-by-step way to put your body together. So you're gonna use your palm, you're gonna put in your boosters, you're gonna put in your character, and your
They will all seem like the thing is like it keeps going up to this midline of this and then turning.
yeah, yeah. So you can actually put two and all day. And then it's just one of your classes. But how do I actually my pattern? You can do someone to buy your neck is level. Jonathan walked in and said, yeah, you got buildable little fucking and Bonds, I love that. Yeah, and fucking Joey so long the top. Hey, you leave the line, Joe. Don't be weird. It's beautiful. It's right now. Please look at all of it. I just love these science experience you have.
Box. Look at that. Well, it's like breaking that top. Which issue one, two? Was that the high of? Okay. I'm hoping it's making its way up to 6,600. It got above this VWAP. It was below it for a minute and kept on like being on it up and down, but now it's going through and it's even more up there. So I'm hoping that's where it's going. So we'll see. I lost like $100 and something before. Oh, just $50 I have lost. Oh, well, right now, if it keep going, I'm only negative 37, but I need to go all the way to my TP. I said I'm holding trades until it gets to my TP. I'm only at 15 right now. I broke that one. Should at least break that. That's the Asian high right there. And how much is that? What would that be? 28. It's not much, but it's going though. Over here. See, slow but steady. Making its way up there. One of these 95 might make it drop though. Retrace. Because 100 orders up there. But I'm looking forward to go to 6,600. So I'm just gonna hold on. See what happens. I mean, I could put my take profit, my stop loss in profit, or at least to the bottom of this. Or where's that now? 5 ticks. So. Might break that and you want to retest the top of this permanent orb high. Might just retesting this 5-minute orb high. Hopefully it's not coming too much though. Giving people a chance to get in, Hopefully that's it.
For much of the go out today, what you're going to television, against it, make people can ask you. Coming up on Zoom brings a preview of this weekend's community work. Even tomorrow, watch the
Okay, that's what it did. It came to the top of the orb and then it went back up. Hey, come on, you got this.
All good, good, always. Happy birthday to the class, and you have to get it back, but here is maybe 7 food, easy wise, but 50. For like the one wine, I am
Should have had a contract there. OMG. Oh, at 10 o'clock it was news. I forgot about that. Should add to that now. Forgot it was news at 10 that Michigan. Should have shot instead of down. For Michigan news. Hope this V1 gonna hold. I should add a contract to that. No. Let me see.
On NBC News, this is the special report with Savannah Guthrie and Greg Milton.
Good morning, 10 a.m. on the East Coast, 7 a.m. on the West. We're following breaking news in the assassination of influential conservative.
I'm down $100 now. Oh, because it went down.
In custody, he's been identified as Tyler Robinson, a 22-year-old man from Utah. All this follows.
So you got the person who shot that man? Come on, come on.
And a person of interest. In a moment, we're going to take you to Utah, which is about to hold a news conference. We expect to learn more about the circumstances under which this suspect was identified and brought into custody. Let's go to NBC's Morgan Chesky, and actually with the president himself, across the street.
Come on, come on, come on.
It's been a stunning development this morning from President Trump during that interview, saying that he had a high degree of certainty that law enforcement officials had a person in custody, but they believed it was in fact the person who fired the fatal shot, killing Charlie Kirk here on the campus of Utah Valley University. Since then, though, we have learned more details, as you mentioned, Savannah. He's been identified as 22-year-old Tyler Robinson of Utah. And that correlates with what we heard from law enforcement yesterday, saying that this person of interest that they shared both images of and video of appeared to be a college-aged male. That pairs with the fact that Robinson is 22 years old. According to the president, Savannah and Craig, we're also hearing that Robinson is recognized either the images or the video and then contacted law enforcement. And that began the process of bringing him into custody. We're hoping to hear.
It's what do you call this? DS moves so slow. It's like so annoying.
Should begin any
I just need like a push up.
release of the videos last night by authorities in a press conference where FBI Director Kat Patel was in attendance. They did not take any questions.
That should have been like a knock people out type of trade.
You can see him running on a campus rooftop. He then lowered himself and jumped off onto the ground. Officials say that they left behind a critical trail of evidence. DNA on that rooftop ledge, a shoe print on the ground, and then
That was a break of this structure and look like it's retesting, so I don't know.
To hopefully or potentially be tied to Robinson now that he is in custody. One thing we have yet to hear from officials, despite calling this a politically motivated assassination, we get to see any particular piece of evidence that could lend itself to showing this person's.
And we just retesting the top of the orb again.
Nature. This is where this investigation is really now going to dig in to anything Robinson may have in his possession at a residence, on his home.
You guys move so slow.
So, where the investigation is taken on that front. This individual is in custody. I should point out that this campus's community was not put on lockdown for a long period of time because officials believe that this was a targeted attack and that they did not believe anyone was ordered out of prison. Certainly, a lot of this meeting.
Okay. Cause yes, on that text, it's like you can stay on your trace for 20, 30 minutes to get what you want looking for. I don't like that. I just want to be in a trade for 2 minutes on in queue and be done. I don't know.
One lady with Ellen died. On the evening of September 11th, members Robinson reached out to a family friend who contacted the
Somebody gets out and snitched them out.
This information was relayed to Utah County Sheriff's Office and City Investigator at Utah Valley University. This information was also conveyed to the FBI. Investigators reviewed additional video footage from UVU surveillance and identified Robinson arriving on UVU campus in a gray Dodge Challenger at approximately 8:29 a.m. on September 10th, in which he is observed on video with a plain yellow t-shirt, light-colored shorts, a black hat with a white logo.
That's why I'm watching this right here because it's gonna have me all jacked up.
September 12th, in the early morning hours, Robinson was observed in consistent filming with those surveillance images. Investigators interviewed a family member of Robinson who stated that Robinson had become more political in recent years. The family member referenced a recent incident in which Robinson came to dinner prior to September 10th, and in the conversation with another family member, Robinson mentioned Charlie Kirk was coming to UVU. They talked about why they didn't like him and the viewpoints that he had. The family member also stated Cook was full of hate and spreading hate. The family member also confirmed Robinson had a great challenger.
I think it's gonna do a little something at 95 because 95 have a bunch of orders right there. So
Referring to Robinson.
I hope it don't turn around too much at 95 because I said I have to get 46.
Take photos of the screen as each message was shown by Robinson's roommate. These photos consisted of various messages.
Okay,
Just between the phone contact name title with an emoji.
it's going. See, look, is it gonna make it all the way up there? It's going through, but right here it was like a whole bunch of orders, so it might replace the little. Let's see if we can get it to just go. Just get through here and go to 294. I mean 600 where it's 290 orders. But right here is all these orders, so it may, come through a retest, but I'm thinking that it's gonna go all the way up. I just hope it don't come like too far down. The back and forth is what's like, I don't like. Ever put my stops up.
And I believe
It's not even in the right place.
I'll share that with you now. So the area north of Campus Drive Road where the suspect crossed over, you saw some of that in the video that we released last night.
Maybe I can make it like a risk-free trade, put it there. At least I won't lose nothing. Right. Price won't come back that much, you know. I mean, but it could. Well, I don't even have to. I only want 500, so I really don't even have to let it go to all the way up there because I only want 500, and I'll put 2 contracts now. Forgot about that. So that's only like 20. I could go to there. And that's 500 right there. I'm only trying to get 500. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go back. Go back.
Indebted to law enforcement across the state who's more
Come on. Come on. Because I mean, I'm 500 right now. That's all but I did lose 100, so I should let it get to.
Everyone who work together in such a short amount of time to find this person and to bring justice.
There's a lot of orders right there. Kind of push it down. So now it's going back to go up. Come on. Go ahead. Go, go, go. Oh, shit.
In this case, and we're able to bring them into law.
It's going down a lot.
Especially once the
Oh.
family of Charlie Cook, Erica,
Damn.
Charlie's
I
parents.
should have took my money out. 32, I was up 500. Oh, my God. So, I just took my little $500 and put it out of there.
This moment is an opportunity to bring closure.
Just fucking annoying.
History. We all turn the microphone over to the director of the.
This one do something like this.
Thank you, Governor.
And trade 10 contracts. Because it's so stupid.
Charlie Cook.
I probably missed it.
Deep gratitude to President Trump, the Vice President, and the entire White House for their so incredibly supportive with both resources and just personally to the FBI as a team.
Just check sending checks because it's so stupid.
We need to operate in this space to bring this sort of justice at this sort of speed. In 33 hours, we have made historic progress for Charlie. Governor Cox, our partnership has been absolutely incredible these last few days. Our partnership will endure. Your state and local partners,
Should took it out.
the DPS community has been unbelievably impressive in the hardest of times. And a case like this cannot be solved, cannot be brought without partnering with your state and local authorities. The FBI has a certain load of prayer, we would throw that road, and we will leave that to the failure that we make. The Governor Cox, we're so grateful for your state partnership that led out on this investigation. What was another timeline? Charlie was shot at 12:23 p.m. on Wednesday. The FBI agents arrived on scene in 16 minutes with chiefs of police, Epstein 39, and secured the scene. The FBI immediately launched fixed-wing assets. We utilize these assets to transport personnel, specialty technicians, hostage rescue teams. We also utilize these assets to get back into.
It's all thing and then bounced. You should have just kept it up. Because what did I just make? 387. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's so dumb.
Local time. Then, shortly thereafter, the FBI awarded $100,000 was released at 10:35 a.m. local. Also, the government elected by Iowa at 5:30 p.m. on 9/11. The governor held a press conference last night at approximately 8 p.m.
Where in my direction, the FBI released an enforcement video of the suspect. We also released new images to the public of the suspect. And just last night, the suspect.
It's crazy. I did all that.
33 will be confirmed.
Did that do 40? No.
48.
That did 20 though.
And we cheer in the city beach on, okay?
Yeah. So I made like $600, so I don't even care. 500. That's all I want to make anyways. $500.
And you that fellow was so public, so fast, and was so transparent.
You should go down though to That's so stupid.
Authorities wanting federal authorities to process that crime scene quickly. And I even have the ability to
Oh shit. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now I lost some of my money.
More about what we can do. Create a full picture for the FBI and leadership back in Washington. Furthermore, thankfully to state and local partners, forensic evidence has been seized and continue to be garnered. Forensic evidence has already been evaluated at FBI laboratories in Quantico and state and local authorities here.
Here we go.
Continue to process evidence as we see it, as we collect it, and we continue to.
507. Should have went to 10.
Last night we.
I think that's it though. I think it's gonna come back up now though. Cause it broke that orb.
We have to pull it.
But it should go down to there.
Yeah. Yeah. Every one of those weeks will be one out.
I don't have to trade 6 contracts no more then.
And law enforcement was up to that.
What it did was it came to this though.
General relationship, law enforcement and the FBI and the state and local authorities, and you to look here in these last few days.
Broke that.
Field office, along with our office in LA, San Antonio, Rockford, Pittsburgh, Buffalo.
Let me get it to 6,600. Just
Do that to the employees of the FBI, the men and women, the evidence response team tacticians, the special operators, the agents, the support staff. You have done monumental work in the story of crime. When the public with no right to an estimate solving of an investigation, the FBI answered that call diligently.
didn't do 40 either way. That's why you just be having to have more than one contract with ES because ES gonna do some weird stuff, man.
Continue to work with state and local authorities.
There, break retest.
Investigation to provide.
It's back up at that VWAP.
As long as it takes, for as long as we need to find and apprehend whatever stuff's involved in this crime. Lastly, to my friends.
Oh shoot.
We have fun, brother. We have to watch. See you,
It's really all I wanted. 642. I'm at 2,000. That's enough.
I would just like to take a few minutes as the show to express my gratitude for everybody who has played a part.
Let's be going. So this what it's about to do now. It's gonna go up. This is the W it just formed. Now it's gonna go up to here and get those orders. It's really ridiculous.
Speaking on behalf of the local law enforcement.
So many orders up there.
State sheriffs, chiefs, our state partners have stepped up and have come to the call on anything that we needed. Our county chiefs have been from.
What was that like? 17. 3. How much is 3 contracts with 20? 750. That can always be good. Because what was this?
Extraordinary.
10, 20. That was 20.
Most of
Now,
all,
what about when I went up with this?
the Republic as
I think that's all they gave me too. I got in like
the
here, well, right here. I think I got in like right here.
of the law enforcement community because we needed those prayers. That's what we needed to get through this. We needed your support, and you gave it to us. We needed you.
Then I
When you
quick.
gave it to us, I would love to thank you for the family.
Just tell them.
That your support and your prayer
Yeah, I'm like, what?
will get us through all of
Yeah,
this.
could have been out of that.
So thank you everybody for everybody else that
That's why I just wanted.
responds to
I
this.
was trying to hold with one contract to one contract for 46. That's $500. Like it's hard. You can't even. Yes, this moves too slow and so little. It's like can't even do it. It's really ridiculous. 3 contracts, 20. Okay, what's that? 187.
15 previous work still hard. Shit, I had a solid 90 minutes last night, so I'm probably the most more rested person up here. Ladies and gentlemen,
I don't need to do any more trades though, to be honest. I'm just at this point I will just be trading just to trade. So I have to stop trading just to trade, you know? So I need to not do that. But I'm just trying to see like, you know,
too preachy.
what's what and what's 10.
Wide open. Shane, what's the
375.
picture today? What people say, when we saw in this, there's violence happening all across our country. And violence is tragic everywhere. And every life taken is a child of God who deserves our love and respect and dignity. This is certainly about the tragic death, assassination, political assassination of Charlie Kirk. But it is also much bigger than an attack on an individual. It is an attack on all of us. It is an attack on the American experiment. It is an attack on.
I'm just getting home. I really don't need to trade, so and I made 740, so I'm good. Cause I was just trading just to be trading. So all right, so that was an hour worth of trading. It's Friday, you know. That's enough for now.
For different reasons. One, because in very apt with Charlie Champion expression
My hair is crazy right now.
that is enshrined in our mind
I'm hungry.
in his life taken in that very act makes it more difficult for people to feel like they can share their ideas, that they can speak freely. We will never be able to solve all the other problems, including the violence problems that people are worried about, if we can't have a clash of ideas safely and securely. Even especially those ideas with which you disagree. That's why this matters so much. Over the last 48 hours, I've been as angry as I have ever been. As sad as I have ever been. And
Look at that.
it was as the anger pushed me to the brink. It was actually trying
Right there.
to show something.
This thing in here. This was the perfect entry right there.
And all across the country.
Still on 40, but what about 20? That's why I only want to do 20. 40 is too much. Like, it's just too much. 40 is just too much. But I also know that to do 20, I have to stay in for longer than that was my problem. I was only staying in the trades for like 1 minute, and then when it moved around, I get out. Because I'm used to being in NASDAQ trades, and you only have to be in there for 2 minutes for 200 ticks. So 1 minute. So this would have been a good trade for Just 2 contracts. I don't know, just all this stuff they talking on my TV. I don't want to hear it. Why is my TV on this anywhere? CNBC?
Allocate capital, right?
That's what I want to hear. Market.
Consumers, those who are going to say, we want more capital being allocated to opioid. That's a good plan. That's how
I
society.
should have this marked off because as soon as it knocked that high out, but I thought it was going for this high because this is Asia high right here. And I thought it was gonna go for Asia high before it turned at least. So I was just trying to hold it for that. But yeah.
Potential is option value.
So 2 contracts at 20 is 500.
The company was terrible at explaining the potential upside.
Yeah, that's 500. So it's like I really just want 2 trades for 2 contracts at 20. I mean, yeah, 2 contracts at 20. 2 trades, 2 contracts at 20. I could get that multiple times on here. Let's see.
And what you have unfair accumulating advantages in getting there, then there's nobody else in the world. You either open or they do this, or nobody's going to do it. You're not even really trying.
How long did it take? Because for 2025.
Had that there for 20. 2 contracts at 20.
So, yeah, I'm starting on Sunday, that Friday, put together a strategy, and left the team. We're gonna upgrade the team. We will have a plan. I'm sure we presenting a pretty damn good plan.
See, even if I would have came here, held it, because that 40 ain't gonna work. And then I'm only doing 10 ticks anyway, so 250 for 500. I mean, it's a 1 or 2.
To manifest that, that's what I'm going to try to do over the next year or two.
Because as you can see, you're only gonna get about 20 ticks. 20 ticks is 10 is 5 points. So you're gonna get us 5 points out of this most times. I mean, sometimes you could get more, let's see. Like some days. But price been moving a lot and it's Friday. So see, like this day, yesterday, 40 was pretty easy to get. Took about 3, 6, 9 minutes. It still came through. And then you could have got another one here. Came through. No, like that was almost, but it didn't stick out. You would have had to wait and hold it through that and then get it. Took forever, but the thing is though, it's just less volatile than NASDAQ, and NASDAQ is just you acting too crazy, man. I just don't have time for NASDAQ. Let's see.
3% off. Why? There's a $200 off in your brochure. With no obligation and no interest with 12 months.
And this was a breaker structure right there, and a retest of this breaker structure. Get in there. And now it's 40. And another 40. Breaker structure here. Breaker structure here. Get in.
Before September 30th, buy one window, patio door, or entry door, and get the next one 30% off. Plus, get an extra $200 off your entire purchase. With no money down, no monthly payment, and no interest for 12 months. Call before September 30th. 1-800-918-0808. That's 1-800-918-0808.
Worldwide Exchange puts it 5 a.m. Eastern as streaming CNBC Plus.
All guys about understanding what just happened from the market that day and
Then I have to go somewhere on 27 too.
Justin, I know this work.
That takes it in my dog.
Streaming CNBC Plus. Let's take a look at shares of both Paramount and Warner Brothers Discovery just a day after we reported the other reports of Wall Street Journal. To be fair, before you push that, Paramount Skydance is preparing a bid for Warner Brothers Discovery. That is the case, expected to.
Let me just see. Let me stop this. Okay, I'm done for the day.
For people that I'm
Erase this.
Will be the key, and as I reported
See
earlier,
what's going on over here.
expectation.
Yeah, that's it. I'm done.
Will
Well, let me stop this. Stop the channel.